Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailering package, heavy-duty engine, Vortec 5.3 LSP flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, Sun, entertainment and destinations package and the license plate bracket, front. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.